You're next.
So
Perfectly round. Okay.
Yeah, TMJ. That masseter muscle, it's people jaw like a jaw is clicking and people.
Yeah, mine goes like randomly. It'll like click out of place, and then I grind my teeth a lot.
And it could be not just the TMJ. It's also stress related and also the neck and TMJ. That's the one thing. I mean, they all like together. So cups, clean cups, not the big one, the small sizes. And what I do, she's open your mouth and let it go. So what I do, I put this cups. It's no any oil, and I just suck it in and.
It's crazy how much more your face can take than your back.
Yeah, of course, because it's fascia covering. And you can put two. And like I said, people say if you go on some events.
Does that look like an alien?
Yeah, you are. And now open your mouth. Like.
Oh, you can feel it.
Yeah, you feel it? Exactly. Move side to side. Like that. Now close your mouth and move your tongue around.
Oh, that feels good.
Yeah? There we go. Good. So tongue is moving around. It's moved that all this. Exactly. And that's great for TMJ. And I have a client, she got struggle from TMJ, and she went to that plastic surgery.
Yeah, she's like, can I do it on you?
Yeah, right here.
Let me move over so you can
So it's I have a beard, so try right there. And don't be shy.
You have a jaw problem?
No, I don't, but
the lady went to somebody.
Yeah, and so what she did, a little bit more. Don't be shy.
Yeah, you can do it. The face takes more.
Yeah, and you see, because the hair is gonna come out, so it's not stay on the hair. So I have to shave. I have to shave. But try to go maybe like a little bit away, or go ahead. Yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, that's oof. Let it go. Yeah, oof.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
He's very rough, macho. He can take a lot of.
And you see, if it starts suck it out, because the hair, it just lose that gravity and let it go. And guess what? So I finished the story. The lady go to the plastic surgery, and the guy say, "Oh, we're gonna do some Botox shots in you." And they did Botox in her TMJ. They feel those TMJ, and it's gone. The TMJ was gone. So, like I said, try to maybe Botox shots, and it's and it's gonna help. But most of the time, it's the way how you bite. You can see if people come in like this, not any Botox shots is gonna help, because the head is tilted, the everything is tilted. Maybe don't have a teeth on one side. Or so my story was I lost that teeth, and I stopped chewing on that side. I must stop chewing on that side. So whole face is start crooked. The way you're sitting, the way you're driving. It's the whole fascia is react on on the way you're sitting, on the way you spend your time. And like I said, if people like this, your head is going to be like that, guess what? It's going to be tied up here. Everything loosen up here.
So would you say it's better to chew on both sides all the time?
Always come in and check. Like move the fascia on people. You see it's moving. We should check your fascia around. Yeah. And like I said, you can put up here, you can put one more, don't put behind the ear. It's a very painful zone. It's one of those painful
on this side of my face. You could feel it more.
Are you gonna put one on your face?
I chew on this side, like not like I.
Come up here, sit down. Let's try it.
Put one on your face.
Yeah.
But like.
Which one?
Here.
You say on this side?
Okay. I feel here.
Okay. It's if you feel on one side, trust me, the weakest. And there we go. Look at that. Now you two aliens.
That is too tight.
No, leave it. Leave it. Do this. No, leave it. She said I'm done.
She took it off.
You're supposed to keep stretching it so you can see.
Shaking out.
She took
it.
Don't shake it out. You gotta leave it.
Okay, I'm just kidding. No, you're right. It's not need to be pushed too much. There we go. Very light.
Can I move your mouth?
No need. Yeah. It's no need to move in the beginning.
Just-
Sue.
Yeah.
And you see you. Here we go. That's the problem. You slouch.
I do.
And that's, yeah. Now you can be like a cowboy, like this. Oh, no. Roll it out. Hold on. Like this.
So I come ready.
Put in my gun in my
In your pocket.
in my holster and like this. And,
I like these.
good. And remove and see how you feel. You're gonna feel fantastic. And it's not that bad actually. This is gonna go away in, yeah, look at that.
No, it feels lighter.
It
It
feels
feels like
lighter,
my jaw
exactly.
is no longer
Exactly.
like locked.
It feels lighter.
And guess what? You guys can
Yeah,
do
like
it
your
on
jaw.
your
You know,
own.
like when you. I don't know if you ever get this, like where you like kind of lock your jaw, or like if you're stressed, it'll just kind of like bite.
Yeah.
It just feels like all of that has been removed.
And the gua sha. You can also use the gua sha.